Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine color paint. First, select a rich, deep red or burgundy as your foundational color. This provides the essential warmth and depth for your wine shade. Next, introduce tiny increments of blue or black paint. These darker tones will help you achieve that characteristic deep, sophisticated hue. Remember to mix your paint thoroughly after each addition to ensure an even color and to accurately assess your progress. Now, let's refine that wine hue. To add a layer of complexity and richness, consider incorporating a small amount of purple paint. This can elevate your color from a simple deep red to a more nuanced wine shade. If your mix appears too vibrant, a tiny touch of brown can help to subtly mute the brightness, giving it a more aged or sophisticated feel. Always test your evolving color on a separate surface to accurately gauge its final look. To achieve true depth and richness, a very small drop of green paint can be surprisingly effective. Green acts as a complementary color, helping to neutralize any overly bright redness and creating a more balanced, sophisticated wine tone. If you desire a slightly lighter or softer wine shade, carefully blend in a small amount of white paint. Remember, thorough and consistent mixing is crucial at every stage to prevent streaks and ensure a uniform color throughout your batch. You're almost there. For the final step, compare your custom mixed wine paint against a reference image or a physical sample of your desired wine shade. This helps you make any last-minute adjustments, perhaps adding a tiny bit more of one color to perfect the hue. Once satisfied, transfer your beautiful, custom wine paint into an airtight container. This ensures it stays fresh and ready for all your creative projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.